Hey there, welcome to my cuddle egg chair. This is a wonderful chair. It's a cuddle chair in that there is room for another person here. And when I'm in my cuddle egg chair, I feel happy. And I was thinking about this, relating it to coaching and food. Let me show you how I got there. So the circumstance is the cuddle egg chair. There is this thing on my porch called an egg chair. And I feel happy when I think about it, when I consider my chair. And the feeling of happiness comes from not just having a chair on the porch, which is a circumstance. It's just a fact, I have a chair on my porch. The feeling of happy comes from a thought, and then the feeling comes. It may be imperceptible, it may be a subconscious thought. I'm not aware of this thought, but it probably is a thought something like, I feel safe in my cuddle chair. I love sitting in this place of relaxation and comfort, and I love cuddling with someone in my chair, and then I feel happy. So relating this to coaching, and specifically Eat to Live coaching, which is what I do, is an example from many clients that I can bring this home to. Is they're eating to live, they're doing the nutritarian thing, and they're feeling despair, like I'll never get this right, feeling like helpless and hopeless. And if we look at why, it's the thought that they're having that's in between the eating to live and the feeling despair and like it won't work. The thought is, it could be it won't work. The thought could be, this is a very common one, if I eat one bite off nutritarian protocol, I may as well give up because I'm a failure. I can't do this. And then despair comes in, and then the helpless and hopeless feelings, and maybe some shame along with it. So it's not that they've taken a bite of food off of protocol or even eaten a pizza or whatever it is. It's the thought about it, that now I'm wrong, I'm bad, I'm not perfect, so I can't do this. So that's what we look at in private coaching, the one-on-one coaching in the Eat to Live family, in our accelerator program, which is our group coaching program. All of it is based on this idea that thoughts create feelings, create actions, create results. So it's just as easy, it takes just as much brain power to think, it's okay, I'm learning how to eat to live for life. I'm learning how to make this the way that I eat, the majority of how I eat. And yes, there's going to be times when I am off protocol, but I can get back on. I know what to do. And that brings totally different feelings than deflated or defeated or helpless. If you're intrigued by this idea of thoughts and feelings bringing about actions, bringing about results, as it relates to Eat to Live specifically, or anything in your life, whether it's cuddle chairs or whatever it is, children, relationships, finances, jobs, whatever it is, I'd love to chat with you. Have I piqued your interest at all? Go to thewateringmouth.com/coachwithnancy, sign up for a strategy call, and let's see what applying this tool to your life could do for you, for your weight loss goals, for your health goals, for your life goals. Love to chat with you. Until then, signing off from my cuddle chair.